Meditation to improve concentration. In this exercise, you would practice focusing with attention without trying too hard. By choosing to focus on one thing only, like a small object, you begin to quiet your busy mind and feel that sense of peace in the spaces between the toes. The focus meditation technique is a very calming and centering practice because it anchors you in the present moment, freeing you from judgments about the past or worrying about the future. Relax, as we are going to start now. Find an object to focus on. If you would like to hold an object to start with, you may do that now. Begin by closing your eyes and focusing your attention on your breath. Breathing slowly and deeply. Now, begin to focus on your object. If you are holding something, open your eyes for a brief moment and study the object, looking at all those little details. Gently close your eyes once again. If you are picturing an object, start thinking about the item and focus your attention on what you recall about the object. If you are inside, you can also focus in on whatever is nearby, like a lamp, a candle, or a small object. Imagine this object in every little detail. If you are outside, focus on something in your immediate environment. As you close your eyes, try and recall every little detail of this object in your mind's eye and see how powerful your perceptions are. Recall all of the tiny little details down to each crease and each small little bump. Focus all of your attention on this process and see what you recall. Just relax. Focus all of your attention on this process and see what you recall. Just relax. Focus all of your attention on this process and see what you recall. The more you practice this type of focus meditation, the easier it will be to recall all of those little details, helping you sharpen your focus.